What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to pair a phone to a GMC Acadia. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2017 GMC Acadia in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. I'm going to be doing this with an iPhone. Other phones will be similar. The first thing I'm going to do is go into my phone's settings and then go into the Bluetooth and make sure the Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, I'm going to come over here and press the phone button. After I press that, I'm going to grab my phone and under available devices, I'm going to click GMC IntelliLink. And then I'm going to make sure the PIN number on my phone matches the PIN number on my center screen, and it does. So on here, I'll click yes. And then I'll grab my phone and click pair. And now we're connected. This is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set any of that up right now, but now we're connected. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.